Check out this video. Videos like this are engaging and get tons of views. Let's check out the channel. We can see they are monetized using a Chrome extension. Okay, copy the name. Head over to socialblade.com. Paste in the name. We can see they are making upwards of 23K a year. Nice. Stay through the end of this video. I will show you how to create 30 of these easily in a few minutes. Step 1. Let's get some riddles. Head over to ChatGPT, the free version will do. Type in this prompt. Let's create a table of riddles. I suggest you only create 15 at a time. ChatGPT sometimes messes up if you ask for more. Let's get 15 more. Perfect. Step 2. Let's create the videos. Head over to canva.com, you will find a link in the description. Search for quiz templates at the top. You will see many options. Notice most cost money as part of the Pro plan, but you can get a 30-day trial. Let's select this one, click the 3 dots and select Customize. Delete the extra pages, we only need one. Now select Magic Switch to convert this template to a YouTube short video. Click Continue and copy and resize to convert the file. Then, open the new video. Extend the timeline to 20 seconds. Resize the image at the top to make room for a timer. Move up the question to make room for larger questions. Now, let's add the timer and resize it. Select the first 3 answers, and right-click and select Show Timing. Adjust the timing to show those answers partway into the video and to remove them before the end. Now, adjust the timing of the last one, which is the correct answer, to appear right after the others disappear. Then adjust the timing of the countdown timer to run for 10 seconds as the potential answers appear. Let's try out our quiz and check the timing. Looks good. Step 3. Let's bulk create 30 of them. There is a cool app plugin to Canva to create all of our videos in bulk. Select App, then select Bulk Create to add that app. Select Enter Data manually. Clear the table. Head back over to ChatGPT, copy the first table. Paste it into the app. Add a new row at the bottom. Go get the second table, just the data, not the headers. Paste it in and check that we have 30. Now, for the important part, watch carefully. Select the question and right-click and select Connect Data, then select the question field of our data. Then, resize all of the potential answer text boxes to ensure that larger answers will fit. Then, right-click on each and connect those data fields, one by one. When done, you should see check marks next to each data field. Make sure you have not missed any. Then, hit the Continue button to preview the data import. Scroll down to make sure we have 30 riddles. Hit Generate, and just like that, we have 30 YouTube Shorts, each with a pre-populated riddle and answers. Step 4. Let's add music. Head up to the Elements tab and search for relaxing background melody. Note that most music in Canva is part of the Pro plan, and unless you have that Pro plan, you will get a copyright strike on YouTube. However, this one is free, so we can use it with no problem. Let's play it and test it out. OK, click on it to add it to our video. Now, resize it to match the size of one short video. Adjust the volume down to 50%. Copy and paste it into the timeline of the other shorts, all 30 of them. Step 5. Let's try one of our new videos. Head back to the beginning of the timeline and hit play. That was cool, I hope you enjoyed it. Step 6. Let's export the videos. Select the Share button. Then select Download. Be sure to check the box that says Download multiple files. Notice this is a pro feature, but again, you can get a 30-day trial. Hit the Download button to save them all to your system. Now, for the next steps. Drop me a comment below if you would like to see more of this content or any other topics. Your comments help YouTube to push my videos to others like you, and I would really appreciate it. Be sure to hit subscribe and notify buttons. I have many upcoming videos to explore making money online with headless videos. You won't want to miss them. That's all for now, bye-bye.